Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your text adventure game for the Spectrum and Spectrum Next. I put a lot of work into the Spectrum export because I just got my Next in the mail and I'm super excited about that, and I thought, wouldn't it be awesome to be able to run adventure games on that. So let me load an adventure game here. I'm going to pick my little sci-fi test adventure project, and all I have to do is come up here to the export menu and select ZX Spectrum. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate all the code for the game, and then it's going to assemble it and attach it to a tape file. So I actually wrote enough of a Z80 assembler and parts of MCTRD, so this thing will actually go straight to a tape image without any need to run any extra scripts at all. Oh, and one other thing, if you go to the Build Settings tab, which is new now, you can pick an SCR file that it'll attach as the loading screen. So, there's my my little loading screen, and all I have to do is say export to ZX Spectrum, and then it's going to crank away here for a bit and assemble, and it's done. So let's pop open that directory in a shell here, and let's just go take a look at what's in there. Heinlein Station 3 _ Spectrum. So whatever the name of your project is, it writes it out followed by _ the platform name. So let's go in there. Let's do an ls. So oops. So there's our tap file. There's our loading screen. There's some other stuff that was just kind of left over, and so the data file, that's your game. And if you go into the source directory, you do an ls, there you see there's all the code for your game if you actually want to see what's in it. So what it did was it assembled all that and threw it on a tape image. And now let's go open up Spectaculator. So let me go load that that tape image. There's the tape image right there, and I'll load this thing. And I'm going to turn off the speed loading here so you can actually see, although I'll pause the video. You don't have to listen to the whole screechy bit, but I just want to show you that the screen image actually did get attached. So I'll hit enter and then play. And there we go. There's our loading screen. And now I'll just speed load this thing. And there's our text adventure, right? And it looks pretty awesome. And there we go. So it works, and it looks sharp, and it looks great on the Next. The text is nice and crisp. So there you go. That's all you have to do to export your game to Spectrum. And you can take this, the tap file, throw it on an SD card, move it right over to the Next. It'll run great. If you have any problems getting this to work, need any help, you know, by all means, email me, evancwright@yahoo.com. I love this project, and I'm just super excited about helping people make new games for old machines.